Today we are going to be doing a really quick Bath & Body Works haul. I don't like to do too many throughout the year because I like to save up all my Bath & Body Works purchases for when they have their semi-annual sales, usually in June and in December. So I usually save up my purchases for then, but every once in a while I do get a purchase here and there, but it's always on sale. I never buy anything full price from Bath & Body Works ever. So this time they were doing a sale on their little hand soaps. I think they were like $2.95 a piece, and also their bar soap. So I have everything here with the exception of one item. I hate when Bath & Body Works does this. They literally broke up my order and put one bar of soap in the second order. So they're sending out a whole other box for one bar of soap that I know they could have fit in here, but they didn't ask me. But we have a really quick haul. These are just their little hand soap. Some of them are foam, some of them are gel. I prefer the gel, but some of them, like the scents just really called to me, so I wanted to get them. Plus I like having these on hand because I think they make really great little gifts and everyone can use a little hand soap. It's like a little sweet gift. I love them, so I always like to get them when they're on sale and kind of just have them on hand if I ever need like a little offhand kind of gift. I always think that these are really nice, cute little gifts to give, or like a little add-on type of thing. So I definitely got a few of these this time. So I'm gonna just go through these, not in any particular order. Most of these I don't think I've tried. There might be one or two that I know I like, but most of these are new scents to me. All right, so the first one I got here, this one is called Wildberry Lemonade. This one is the Gentle and Clean Foaming Hand Soap. This one says it's old-fashioned lemonade, crushed raspberries, and frozen cherries. I think this one's gonna be really good. Ooh, that one is a very strong. This one goes like very cherry is what I got the first kind of note out of it. So that one's gonna be like a very good strong one. I like that one. Okay, next up we have this one is called Among the Clouds. And I think I also got a bar of soap in this scent, and I think that's the one that is being sent in its own individual box. So I haven't gotten that one yet, but it is the same scent. This one is Wildberry Skies Whipped Vanilla Clouds. So let me smell this one. I don't know if I have this scent or not, or if I have tried it before. That one smells good. It's almost just like a very light kind of berry scent with, of course, the vanilla. I mean, you can't go wrong with these. And this one's just so cute. I like the pink color. Next up, this is like the White Barn one. This one is called Cozy Vanilla Almond. Again, this is another one of the foaming hand soaps. This one says it's vanilla orchid, sugared almond, and sweet musk. I love all of those things. Ooh, that one's good. I like that one. That was a little bit different. I'm a big fan of like almond, but the orchid is a little bit different, but I like this one too. So can't go wrong with any of these scents really. Next up, this is another one. It's like the White Barn one. This one's actually a really pretty like bottle. I've never seen one like this. It's kind of got this like textured plastic bottle. This one's called Velvet Elderberry. And the notes of this one says ripe elderberry, raspberry, and sweet musk. Ooh, I didn't know what elderberry smelled like. This one almost goes like a little bit of like a sour fruit. It definitely smells really nice too. So I guess I'm not familiar with elderberry, but I'm sure that's what it smells like. But that one is a nice one too. I love this one though. I had to get this one. I think this was a candle that I've had before, and I was hoping that they bring it out like in body care stuff. And this one is Boardwalk Vanilla Cone. This one is Marshmallow Fluff, Vanilla Bean, and Creamy Caramel. Caramel? I don't say caramel, I say caramel. I don't know why I said caramel. Oh my gosh, you guys, that one is delicious. Smells exactly what you think. A Boardwalk Vanilla Cone. This one's good. I'm really glad I got that one. And of course, I couldn't resist this one. It's called Sprinkled with Love, and it is sprinkled donut scented. This one is buttercream, milk, and sweet vanilla. Are we sensing a theme on the type of scents that I like? Oops, got a little bit of that on my nose. That's a really good one too. That one kind of smells like a can of like sweet condensed milk almost. So there is that one. I would have expected this one to maybe have a little bit more of like almost like a strawberry kind of scent. Like when I think of it, I think of like a little pink strawberry donut, but still very good. This next one is called Vanilla Cloud, another foaming one. This one is whipped vanilla, apple blossom, and sandalwood. Ooh, that one's really good. That sandalwood like woodsiness just kind of makes it feel a little bit more sophisticated than just like sweet. I actually really like the packaging of that one too. That one's really pretty. All right, next up we have a classic warm vanilla sugar. I mean, you just can't go wrong with this one. This has like a very nostalgic scent for me. Of course, this one is creamy vanilla and sparkling sugar crystals. This one's actually sealed, and I'm very, very familiar with the scent of that one, so I don't need to smell it to know it is iconic for a reason. Next up we have Iced Lemon Pound Cake. This one sounds so good. I am just finished burning a like pound cake candle, and I really loved it. The notes of this one is glazed icing, pure lemon zest, and fluffy cake. I love lemony vanilla cakes. They are so good. That one smells very, very good. I like it because it's not like too tart of a lemon. It's like a very sweet, like Meyer lemon almost. Because sometimes with lemon, it either goes like kitchen cleaner lemon, and I like it more of like soft pastry lemon, so that one's definitely more on that side. All right, and the last one I have, this one is sweet strawberry scoop, another good one. This one is sugared pink strawberries and vanilla bean ice cream. And this one's actually one of the gel ones that I like. This one is delicious. If you love strawberry, it smells like a fresh like strawberry jam mixed with like ice cream. It's so good. I love that one a lot. All right, and last thing I have, this is a bar of soap. Again, I did have the other one they ordered, but for some reason they sent it in a different package. So this is the only one I have now, but this one is actually a gift for my boyfriend. He loves the scent and I love it on him too. And he likes their bars of soap. So this is the Into the Night Shea Butter Soap. So I got that one for him. I wish they would do the coffee and whiskey scent in the bar soap, because that is like his favorite scent, and I love that one as well. But this was his favorite scent before that one. He's kind of had like a few different ones. His first Bath & Body Works scent that he loved was Into the Stars, or In the Stars I think it's called, and then he moved on to Into the Night, and then now he's at his favorite, which is coffee and whiskey. I love all those scents on him as well. They're very nice scents. But I got this one for him, so I will be giving that to him later today. All right, everyone, so that is it for all of my little Bath & Body Works hand soap haul, and I am definitely getting excited for the semi-annual sale coming up in June. So definitely be expecting another video coming whenever the sale comes around, because I'm definitely going to be picking up some stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.